faces. So 125 total. So each side will be what? 5 cube is 125. So each side would be 5. You call it centimeter or parts, anything. So number of cubes having no face colored means what's here? These side ones, these three in the middle will have two colors. These corner ones will have three colors. These all facing other than these side ones and corner ones will have one color. Now if you remove this all, this top layer from everywhere, there would be 3 by 3 cube inside, right? So because 2 gone, so 3 by 3 means 27 cube. So having no face color would be x minus 2. X is 5, 5 minus 2 the whole cube. 27 cubes won't have any color. I can ask one more question in this. How many of them will have one face colored? So one face means what? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 on this side, 3 on this side. So x minus 2 the whole square on one face. And 6 faces together. So 3 by 3, 9 into 6. 54 will have one face colored. Right? That can also be the question. Next. Select the figure from the options which will continue the series established in the problem figures. See what is the problem and you have to select the figures which will continue the series. See this circle, then circle big, new figure inside, then circle gone, triangle comes, this new figure comes, then triangle big, new figure inside, then triangle gone, this square remains. Now this square will become big and new figure inside. So which is that? Square big and new figure inside. See this is a pentagon we are having. Remaining all have the same figures which we have already taken. So D will be the answer. Next, we will continue the rest in the next video. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.